Video Samuel Asamoah suffers broken neck after colliding with an advertising hoist. Togolese footballer suffers neck injury in China. Togolese international Samuel Asamoah has suffered a serious neck injury after colliding with the pitch-side advertising board during a domestic fixture in China. His club Guangxi Pingguo confirmed, raising fears that he may be left paralyzed. Video footage from Sunday's match in China's second tier, Togo's Samuel Asamoah at risk of paraplegia after colliding with an advertising board. The Togo international footballer Samuel Asamoah broke his neck after colliding with the pitch-side advertising board during a domestic fixture in China, with fears he may be left paralyzed. Video footage appears to show the 31-year-old being shoved by an opponent during a match on Sunday in China's second-tier League One as they jostle for the ball, plowing headfirst into an LED advertising panel. The midfielder's club, Guangxi Pingguo, said Asamoah suffered fractures in his neck and nerve damage and subsequently underwent surgery.